Hi, I'm Julia Jones of PuroClean of Bradenton, and we serve the greater Manatee County area. You're probably here because this is a time of need due to property damage, or perhaps you seek one of our other services related to fire damage, mold, or biohazards. We understand what you're going through, and we're here to help get you to pre-loss condition as quickly and efficiently as possible. You come to the right place. We are PuroClean, the paramedics of property damage. We are thoroughly screened, background checked, fully insured, and industry certified to remediate both residential and commercial property damage. We're confident in what we do because we have a proven track record and deliver outstanding and compassionate customer service. We are professional, but as your neighbor, we will treat your belongings like our own with the most respect and care. Call us at 941-877-2288 for help or information at any time, day or night, 24/7 to restore and rescue your property.